All right, coming at you with a new construction home tour, different price point than what you've seen from me recently. So this particular model we're looking at is $245,000, but this neighborhood of Robinson Ranch in Bixby runs about $215,000 to $260,000. So this model we're looking at is the Fenway, which is my personal favorite from Rausch Coleman. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage. Obviously, this is where they're kind of like office is, so that'll be converted back into the garage after when they're ready to sell this particular model. But let's go ahead and head on in here and check it out because it's a little bit chilly and I don't have a jacket on and I'm cold. So let's head on in. Again, this one's my favorite, so if you're gonna build a Rausch Coleman, I would say build the Fenway because it's the best. And before we get too far, if you're new here, my name is Ryan Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team in Tulsa, serving, of course, Tulsa and the surrounding areas. So if you like home tours like this, real estate content, as well as local living in Tulsa content as well, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more of that. And let's get on with the home tour. So obviously, Rausch Coleman comes with the smart home system here that you've been hearing as I open and close the door. Love this living room. I like the little cutout here for more living space. And then great room. Love the colors. It is a beautiful home and very usable. Just wanted to say sorry for my microphone. I don't know what the heck it's rubbing on, but hopefully I can fix that for next time. Some new construction is not good, but this one, Rausch Coleman's been building homes for like over 70 years. They know what they're doing. I love the size of the island. This is a laminate counter, but you could upgrade it to granite if you wanted. Love the white shaker cabinets. When you look at the floor plan for the Fenway model, this is actually the laundry room, so I think this is just a setup because it's a spec home, but just keep that in mind. And then you also have the dining room over here. There's really nothing to complain about. For their price point, you get so much with Rausch Coleman. It's pretty fabulous. So they offer incentives. They can help you with closing costs. They can help you with rate buy downs. In some neighborhoods, you can even couple your home purchase with a USDA loan, depending on where the home is. And then you would have a 0 down payment. So you don't have any money to bring for your down payment. You're also getting help with your closing costs. I posted somewhere, depending on when you're watching this video, the story of the guy who bought a Rausch Coleman house and he only had to bring $1,100 to the closing table. And he built a brand new home. So I think that's where people don't always consider new construction because you think it's going to cost an arm and a leg, but really, in some cases, it's even cheaper than buying a resale home. So it's definitely something to consider. If you want a brand new home, you want a turnkey home that you can just move in. Rausch Coleman comes with, I believe, like a 10-year warranty, so it's a pretty substantial warranty. So it gives you that peace of mind. It's like a win-win all around. Let me back up here. I'll show you the backyard really quick. So it comes with a great patio space. You do have the accent up there. I'm not sure if that's an upgrade or standard, so don't quote me on that. But really good sized lot. Again, this particular model that you're seeing right now is $245,000 at the time of this video. But this neighborhood runs you about $215,000 to $260,000. My friend Chase, the sales rep out here, said he does have a Rausch Coleman around $170,000, I believe, which is a steal for a brand new home. Now that's not the Fenway plan, but if you're needing a great new house, that's a pretty stellar price point with the way things are today in the real estate world. So here is the master over here. A really good sized room. You obviously have a spot for your dresser, and you can put the TV up there, of course. I do like that there's a window in here. Love that natural light. And then right here is the master closet, which is a really good size. I personally wouldn't have that in here. I would put it somewhere else in the room, but either way, it's still a good sized closet. Here's the master bath. You do have this marble laminate throughout, but again, you can upgrade to granite if you want. There is shaker cabinets as well. Here is the shower situation. And then of course the toilet area. And then you have a linen closet as well. And I don't know how to turn the light on in there. Over here, back to the front of the home, you'll find the other bedrooms and bathrooms. So here is one of the spare bedrooms. You guys know me, I always like to check out the closet. So decent size. And it goes a little ways around the corner, so not bad. We'll go over here. Here is that hall bath. Full bath with the shaker cabinets again. Really nice. And then you have another, this would be the bedroom. Again, this is kind of the model. So this is where there's all of the kind of the textiles and things like that. But this would be another bedroom as well. And then you also do have the LVP, luxury vinyl plank flooring, which sometimes people are like, luxury and vinyl in the same word. What are you talking about? Well, I've been seeing luxury vinyl plank in like $400,000, $500,000 houses recently. And the reason is it's basically indestructible. I mean, you got pets, you got kids stealing things on the floor. It's waterproof. It doesn't warp like a wood floor does. It's easy to install if you're a DIY person. I've put in some floors, LVP floors myself. I think it's a great product, and I think that's why it's becoming so popular. Is because I think people are moving away from, you know, this super luxury stuff that's not necessarily practical to stuff that is more user-friendly. So I think that's why you're seeing a lot of LVP, luxury vinyl plank flooring in homes. And obviously, here I'll turn this around. It looks great. I mean, it doesn't look like laminate floor. They actually snap together. They're individual pieces. So I think it's really cool stuff. But let me know what you think about this home in the comments. Again, this is the Fenway plan. We're in Robinson Ranch in Bixby, which is a suburb of Tulsa, so south of Tulsa. Bixby has everything you could want. They've grown a lot in the last few years, but if you are commuting into Tulsa, it's only about 15 minutes. So great location. Hope you guys have a great day. Again, let me know what you think in the comments because I do love your feedback. Of course, if you're thinking of making a move to Oklahoma, I would love to help you make that smooth transition, whether it is right now or in the future. It's never too soon to get the ball rolling. So I would love to connect with you, and I'll see you in the next video.